I can't go anywhere without these goats. Nah, look at my girls. Doing good. Hey girls. Y'all been eating the bank? Been doing pretty good with it. Tell you what, it's really noticeable over here. They have been doing some great weed control. Let's see if I can't. It's not as pretty as a lawnmower, but it works pretty good. See if I can't. Yeah, so point of reference, up there on top of the hill is where the video I shot last week, and down here weed eating for our path. For the fence, and as you can see, it has really, they have put a dent in the grass over here. Hush! You're going to be the first to be sold. I'm kidding. Probably so though. Yep, they're looking good. Still pretty skittish. Some. Been trying to put a bucket out and let them feed from my hand, so that as they get older, they won't be so skittish and will be easier to handle, treat, and rotate. It's also a good time for me to recognize good qualities in these goats, which ones I would like to continue to breed, and those that I might be looking at letting go, and those that I'm going to choose the sire for to maybe bring out a little bit more height, muscle structure. There's a nice fillet right there. It's funny that something is like being standoffish, skittish, seems to be a characteristic or a trait that gets passed down from generation to generation. This girl right here will not get close to me. She's always on the outskirts, and her mom's that way, and her mom's mom is that way. No matter how much you try to put feed in front of her and around her, it's going to be hard to break it. Sparky, you looking good? Yeah, looking real good. Boys will be boys. That's a good way to get a headache right there. They're having a meeting of the minds. Ooh. Get in there with them. There you go. Just want to show y'all something. It's pretty bizarre, but first I've ever seen of it. But I've got a goat out here that has become sort of a surrogate mother for a couple of babies, and it just was bizarre because the common sense would say, well, if she's taken on a baby, maybe she's had a loss of hers, or maybe the kids are no longer milking off of their mothers, which is not the case here. It's really bizarre. They're still getting milk from their moms, and then they're also using their surrogate mother to get a little extra milk. It's kind of interesting. The setup here is this is all the breeding does, and they're on a pretty nice lush grass pasture. I've got the weanlings, which are the weaning off boys and girls of these mamas, at my house, and we're waiting for all the bags to dry up before we reintroduce the little girls back into the population or herd, and then obviously we'll keep the boys off and keep them separate. We like to put a lot of space between these boys, and in the past we've screwed up a little bit on that, and there is an oops right there. So Mama's done good. She had her single. This is her first time. A little bit on that, but the better separation, the better. Records you can keep. But anyway, so I'm going to show y'all a little video of kind of a bizarre thing for me, and you might find it bizarre. You may have even seen it before, but maybe we'll see what we can find. One of the strangest things, this mama goat, these are not any of her kids, but she has taken them on as if they are her kids. I'll scare them away. I'll show you this. It's amazing. Her milk bag is drying up, and she is letting that baby drink on her milk bag. That is not her baby. I don't know if I've seen that. This is my first. That is not her kid, as you can see, tell. She has decided to take on these babies as hers. It makes no sense. Why are you being the mama for these goats, huh? I don't quite understand it, but you're a good mama. Yeah, you're not gonna get much out of those shrunken up milk bags. I mean, she literally has just about dried off from her babies, which are, yeah, see her bags? Oh, she's probably gonna get put back in the milk. Not believing this. It's crazy. Show you some of the other girls. Those are my 3 whites. Kikos. Hey, stop letting that goat nurse on you. Ah, it's bizarre. That's my little Gretchen. She is a Bayless, Spanish. Yeah. Hey there. You're starting to look real pretty. Loosen your undercoat. Slicking off nicely. There's Yoda. Ear tag got stripped out. Hey Pandora. There's Mamba. Oh no. Oh no, it's got a hurt leg for some reason. A little fighting. There's Brooke. Registered Kiko. Yeah, you're standing there grunting while your baby is feeding off of another mama. There. 25. 1825. There's one of the moms. There's another one of the moms for those babies. Well, at least your kid knows where to go. Yeah, so all these are my mamas that are breeding. Valera. Everybody knows this girl. And you're so ugly. Yes, you are. But you're such a good friend. It is time to get this boy off his mom. We had originally taken him over to our place for the weaning process, but realized he was too young. So it is time now. March, April, May. Yeah, it is 3 months. And there's his brother right there. These are 2 high percentage Kikos. Mama is a New Zealand and 100% New Zealand, and the dad was an 88% Kiko, so couldn't be registered. So I guess you would call these commercial, but that one right there, as far as color, whew, blue eyes, he's gonna be a stud. Grass is growing so good here, we actually had to bush hog it. Get the seed heads off. Needs to be bush hogged. Enjoyed the video footage today. Didn't have much of a cohesive storyline, and I know that it's a little bit longer than other videos, but hey, I just like to keep y'all up to date on what's going on here at the farm and show you how the goats are growing out. If you have any comments or suggestions on what I should be doing on other videos in the future, let me know in the comments section. And until next time, hope y'all stay safe, be well, and we'll see you next time here at Walker Lake Farm.